traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think this is very, very likely a 1, 2, 3. I think the wave 3 is over. I think we are very likely in a wave 4, and eventually it's going to go back up for wave 5. I definitely don't think the wave 4 is over yet, and we do have to expect this wave 4 is probably going to take a minimum of 6 to 8 months. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is all just a wave A. Eventually, it is going to have to make a move to the upside, whether it does it now or not, who knows? It could easily keep going down, but eventually it's going to have to make a crescent into this move down, which would be a wave B, and then probably eventually back down for a wave C. Like I said, keep in mind this is the weekly monthly time frame, and this whole pattern should take a very long time to play out. Going down to the daily, I mean, this is definitely still all a downtrend. We do not have a breaker structure to the upside, so the trend is definitely still down. And when the trend is down on my higher roadmap time frames, I am definitely doing nothing on the shorter time frames but looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, my last structure level is right here. A break of that level will turn me into a buyer at the end of every single pullback I see. But until that break actually happens, I am still patiently waiting for three-way pullbacks to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. The trend is not over until the market says the trend is over. And until the market says the trend is over, I'm definitely looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this is very clearly 5 ways up. It's either a wave A or a wave 1. We're probably right now either in a wave B or a wave 2. Now, if this goes up and shoots right past structure, then I will be more than happy to start looking for longs on pullbacks. Otherwise, if it just goes up and makes a wave C, makes a lower high or an equal high, then I will definitely be going short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, the trend is not over until the market says it's over, and the market's not going to say the trend is over in my eyes until it breaks and holds above this structure right here. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.